Kulukki Sarbath is a sweet and spicy refreshing drink very unique in taste made by heavily shaking a blend of lemon juice, basil seeds, sugar syrup, and ginger. Kulukki Sarbath is popular natural cool drink in South India to manage the scorching heat of the summer. Kulukki Sarbath is a famous refreshing drink in Kerala. Kulukki Sarbath is shaken lemonade. Kulukki in Malayalam means shaken, so the drink gets its name from the method it is prepared. Yes, they don't mix for the ingredients to combine, but they shake it rigorously and serve it. The preparation of this Kulukki Sarbath is the speciality of the drink. This drink has a mix of sweet salt and spicy taste served with lemon, green chilli, and basil seeds. In shops, they actually add the squeezed lemon piece into the drink. Instead, I added a slice. You can make different flavors of Kulukki Sarbath like pineapple Kulukki Sarbath, orange Kulukki, or even rose Kulukki Sarbath.